Morning everybody, I hope you're well. Welcome to Sean Repairs Tech. Today I'm going to be looking at this ROG Strix B550 motherboard. There seems to be a short that whenever the I/O shield is touched or anything, the light goes out and the computer just completely shuts down. So I'm going to take the I/O shield off, see if there's a short anywhere or there's a break or something's touching it, something it shouldn't be. So it seems to be at this end. Solder joints look okay. Right, I'll probably put it under the microscope and we'll just check for any cracks in the board or any like that. So I'm just gonna swap. Dark. I'll let off completely there. On the bottom. There's no cracks on the solder joints. Can't see any damage on the board. Okay. Little scratch by this there. Wondering if maybe the it's all plastic though, so it shouldn't be. That bit of damage is there, and this is here, so not anywhere near that. Right, I'm going to plug it back in. We'll see if there's anything obvious. Okay, bear me 2 seconds. Any lights, any camera, still got the orange light on the monitor. Blue light on the monitor. What would help? So we've got the picture. This is where it goes. Right, that seems that's not going off now. It was around here. Everything's in your way today. Around this side on the USBs, that thing, when it was touched, it was going off. The issue, I bought this on eBay. The issue was whenever the person did anything when it was in the case, it would go off. So when I connected it up and I touched the I/O shield and this pushed on this side, it would switch itself off. So something is causing that. This is all plastic. Gotta be the I/O shield then. Right. So that seems fine. So put the I/O shield back together. And this is metal. these two tabs of metal. Is it touching something? Okay, let's bring this back. We're just okay. Put on the IO shield. Screw it in. Actually, I don't think that'll work because it's. Who on is it because of the no. I'm just going to place that on top. Nope, it's coming on. Okay. Back to the BIOS. Okay. I'm going to hold the clamp that in place. Okay. We'll hold this side in place. There you go. I'm going to hold this side in place and I'm going to push on that side. It's on. Okay. I'll hold all this in place. So is it over here then, rather than? It's not over here. It's definitely over here. This is bizarre. Is it me? Am I missing something? It's getting warm in here. Try putting a thin layer of electrical tape just along the bottom, just to see if that's touching anything. If I put a little bit at a time, then I can work out if there's anything being touched. So we're going to start off. I can't see what's being touched. Something's being touched I shouldn't be, so start off on this bit. Okay. This bit. That bit. And I'll work my way along. I swear people are probably laughing at me or pointing at me saying you are completely wrong. Okay, if I... Oh, bugger. I thought, yay! First time. Okay. That definitely improved it. I want to put a bit of tape on that side. Does that improve it, or just that my wishful thinking? Not very well, though. I found my on off button. Okay. It's not just me, is it? This is when it would turn off. It's not frozen, no. Good, make sure that hadn't frozen and it just wasn't going off. Okay. Might be a minute scratch on the board, and then that's rubbed against it and it metal to metal. Something like that. It's the only thing I can think of, really. Is that a bit of a scratch? What's that? Oh, wait a minute. Goosey. Excuse me. Let's wait something to point. Point. Pointer. My screwdriver gone there. There's a... See there? I'm going to put some mask on there, that gold bit, and just see if that is the cause, because look, that's the only thing I can see. I've never used this coating before. Okay, laugh at me. So, switch back to the desk cam. So you can all have a laugh about how badly I do this. I didn't see it before. I did not see that. So now we'll go back to the... Okay. Probably anxiety or nerves or something. I don't know. Always been the same. Rest that on there for a little bit. I will put a bit of electrical. I'll keep a bit of electrical tape on there. Probably sell this board. I don't want people move it around and all that, and it rubs. Shouldn't rub away with conformal coating if I set it enough, but you never know. We should a bit of hot air on it to speed up the process. Too much crap on my desk. A little bit like that. Too much crap on my desk. I need to have a sort out. Then I'm gonna. Right, I'm going to leave this on for a few minutes. I'll come back when I'm happy it's cured, and we'll take it from there. Back in a minute. I've left it on for a few minutes. So I'm just going to cover the reflection that's causing it to be a bit dark. Left it on a few minutes. Right now, hot that gets. The UV up so you can see. Pushing down quite hard. I think it's set. Okay. So I'm gonna put a bit of mask. That's right at this. I'm gonna put a bit of electrical tape. Move that over there. You will be here. There we go. I'm gonna put a bit of electrical tape on the bottom of this towards the end, because that's where it's. If that's what's doing the job, I don't know, but I don't know. Or should I try it without to see if that was actually the thing? Let me try it without first, because I'm not going to be able to prove if that was the actual reason or not. Okay. Proof put in, and let's. Okay, let's see if this is actually anything to do with it, or whether I've been misled. I think we got it. Get in. Okay, I'm happy. I'm still going to put electrical tape on it so it doesn't rub too much.